Cabin crew final doors now closed. Cabin crew, please armdoors and crop check. Cabin crew final door. Hey gentlemen, it is important you're all familiar with the emergency we do carry aboard the aircraft that we're operating on today. So I really appreciate at least a couple of minutes of your time. It is a legal requirement for us to show this to you, and we would appreciate you watching the flight attendants demonstrating in front of you, or look at the video screen close to you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is extremely important that you're all familiar with the emergency equipment we do carry aboard the aircraft that we're operating on today.
Welcome to Longreach, the home of Qantas. Give us your attention for the next few minutes to make your journey a safe one, as we take a journey through 100 years of innovation and Australian spirit.
This here's a number 504 biplane, made from timber and canvas. You're flying on the Qantas Boeing 737. Sounds a bit flashier than this, old girl.
In the 1930s, Qantas are world leaders in aviation innovation, with fully enclosed cabins and even seatbelts. Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the clasp into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. You can undo your seatbelt by lifting the flap. Keep it done up low and tight during takeoff, landing, and whenever the seatbelt sign is on. That includes infants and children. While seated at other times, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened.
Welcome to Australia's first international airport, right here on Sydney Harbour. Our life jackets look like this. Yours are a little more modern. You'll find one under your seat, next to it, or in the middle. Remove your life jacket from the pouch by pulling the tab. Put it over your head, pass the strap around your waist, clip at the front, then tighten. There's a red bag, mouthpiece for inflation, and a whistle and line. And Remember, only let your jacket after leave the aircraft. If oxygen is required, a mask will drop from above. Pull down firmly to activate the oxygen. Put it on quickly and tighten the strap. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating. Fit your own mask first and then help others.
In the unlikely event of an emergency, you should be familiar with the brace position appropriate to your seat. If you can reach the seat in front, brace by placing your forehead on the back of the seat, hold your lower legs or put your hands on your knees. If you're seated behind a bulkhead or you can't reach the seat in front, lean as far forward as you can and hold on to your lower legs.
Welcome to the 1960s, when Qantas brought the world closer together.
Look at your ship there. She's only got the leave.
Welcome to Australia. Take a moment to locate your exit as the cabin crew point them out. It might be behind you. To remember your nearest exit, count the number of rows between you and that exit. Lights will guide you to your exits. Your crew members are pointing them out now. Welcome to the 1970s, when Qantas first introduced business class.
Before you get underway, make sure all your bags are in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you.
Smoking isn't allowed on Qantas flights anymore. Your aircraft is fitted with smoke detectors, including in the toilets, so there's no smoking until you're back on the ground. This includes e-cigarettes, whatever they are.
There was a Qantas employee, Jack Brand, who invented the very first inflatable escape slide raft. Your aircraft today is fitted with escape slides, which the crew will operate in an emergency. If you need to evacuate, leave all items behind. Slide, leaning forward with your hands on your knees.
The 90s saw another first for Qantas in the flying art of Wanola dreaming. You can read more about what we're doing today in your Qantas magazine, located in your seat pocket. It's time to ensure that your seat back is upright and your tray table is stowed, and unplug any headsets or cables attached to the seat in front. If you've missed anything, it's on your safety card, also in your seat pocket.
Your crew are here to help, so please follow the instructions at all times.
Whether you're starting your journey or heading home,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for showing respect to each other and our crew. Thank you for your loyalty. Thank you for your support.
and thank you for your attention. Have a great flight.
Welcome to Longreach, the home of...
Unfortunately, due to unexpected turbulence in the area, there will be no tea and coffee service on today's flight. As I mentioned earlier, smoking is not permitted on this flight or in any section of the aircraft. If there is anything else that we can do to make your flight more comfortable, please do not hesitate to ask.